Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. If bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the bell notification para ma-update ka sa ating bagong video. So, ngayon ituturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-withdraw ng cash sa iBota. So, pinapakita ko muna sa inyo guys yung aking mga earnings na na-redeem sa mga item na binili ko from Walmart at saka King Supers. Yan lang yung dalawang store na lagi kong pinupuntahan guys. Once na-link nyo na yung PayPal account nyo sa iBota nyo guys, is i-click nyo lang yung PayPal and then yan, lalabas na yung withdraw amount. So yung minimum na i-withdraw mo is $20. So sa case ko is 50 yung i-withdraw ko. And then after that is click mo yung withdraw cash. So after mong maklik yung withdraw cash is yan guys, need mong ilagay yung iBota password mo to confirm. So, once nalagay mo na yung password mo is i-click mo yung submit. And then, yan na siya guys, withdraw successful. So, after natin ma-send guys is punta tayo sa ating PayPal account to check. Yan. So, yan, may $50 tayong na-receive. So, click natin yung accept the money. So, may dalawang option ka, transfer it to your bank or i-keep mo sa PayPal mo. So, sa akin guys, is gusto kong i-transfer siya sa bank. So, i-click mo lang yung transfer it to your bank. And then, after mong maklik yung bank is may dalawang option ka na naman, yung instant at saka yung standard. So, yung instant guys is may babayaran ka pero in a minute lang marireceive mo na yung money. At saka yung ano naman, yung standard is free lang siya pero marireceive mo siya in a day. So, yan, 50 yung aking i-withdraw. So, since instant yung pinili ko guys, so may babayaran na akong 50 cents. So, yung marireceive na lang natin is $49.50. So, ganun lang kadali yung pag-withdraw mo ng cash from iBota to your PayPal and then PayPal to your bank account. After PayPal guys is balik tayo sa ating iBota. So, as you can see, $54.39 pa rin yung pera ko. Medyo matagal siya mag-update guys, pero i-click mo siya, lalabas yung $4.39. So, hindi tayo makaka-withdraw guys unless $20 yung ating money sa ating iBota. So that's it guys. See you sa aking next vlog.